everyone, welcome to my channel Mathematics and Magic. Today we will discuss 16.1 from class 11 NCERT book, and this is a chapter of probability. So first question is said that describe sample space. So let us discuss, it is given in the question that if you toss a coin 3 times. So when we toss any coin 3 times, it has 8 outcomes. Now how it become 8? There are two faces of a coin, and those two faces are head and tail. So what happened? Total number of faces, total number of outcome if a coin is tossed is 2. So that is why 2, it is the coin has two faces. It means that. And what about 3? 3 is that the coin is tossed 3 times. Now how to write these 8 outcomes? First of all, let us write down HHH. Just below HHH, write down TTT. So after that, 2H and 1T. That means 2 head and 1 tail. Just below that, write down 2 tail and 1 head. Then you write down, next you write down 1 head, 2 tail. Just below that you write down 1 tail, 2 head. Then what left out? 1 head, 1 tail, 1 head. Then just below you write down 1 tail, 1 head, 1 tail. If you write it in this process, in that case what happened? You will not forget that which term is left behind. Otherwise there is always, we have to keep on searching for one missing term. So this is the way how you have to write down. Next question is question number 2. A dice is thrown 2 times. So a dice is thrown 2 times. The total outcome will be 36. And how it is 36? Each dice is having 6 faces. So a dice has 6 faces and it is thrown 2 times. So 6 square is 36. Now how to find out? How to write down all the ordered pairs, that means all the elements of the sample space. Now what happened here, you see. So let me write down both the sets of the 2 dice into two mapping format. So that means I am writing, so that means how it possible? 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6. You can see 1 1 2 1 6. Then 2 2 1 2 3 2 4 2 5 2 6. Okay, so you write down, after just connecting, write down 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 2 5 2 6. Next 3 3 1 3 2 3 3 3 4 3 5 3 6. You write down 3 1 3 2 3 3 3 4 3 5 3 6. Next is 4 1 4 2 4 3 4 4 4 5 4 6. So it is 4 1 4 2 4 3 4 4 4 5 4 6. Next is 5 1 5 2 5 3 5 4 5 5 5 6. Write down 5 1 5 2 5 3 5 4 5 5 5 6. The last one 6 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 5 and 6 6. Then you write down here 6 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 5 6 6. This is the most mathematical way where you can see the each element is covering the elements of the second set or not. So this is your entire ordered pair, as these ordered pair are showing the sample space of the given question. That means a dice is thrown 2 times, then there are 36 outcomes. You can count these there are 36 outcomes itself. There are some questions, the question that I am skipping because those questions you will do as homework. Since 3 is homework, I am going to discuss 4. Question number 4. A coin is tossed and a dice is thrown. So when a coin is tossed, there will be 2 outcomes, head and tail. And when there is a dice is thrown, then there will be again 6 outcomes. So you can write it like this also. Head and tail, and then below 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now with head, how many elements will be there? HT, H1, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. With tail also T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6. So here are the elements: H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6. Now after this, question number 6 I do. The question number 5 is your homework. Question number 6 is said that in a room there are 2 boys, and in a room X 2 boys and 2 girls. In a room Y there are 1 boys and 3 girls. So what are the total number of boys? Total number of boys is 4. What are the total number of girls? It is 5. So how can we write a ordered pair? How can we write a sample space in terms of ordered pair? Now you see, from room X, boy 1 and boy 2. They are the first two boys. From room X, there are three girls. Girl 1, girl 2 and girl 3. Girl 1 and girl 2. Then not 3, 2 girls. Then from room Y, there is one boy, so boy 4. And then from room Y, there are 3 girls. Then it is girl 3, girl 4 and girl 5. So according to the room, I just mark the boys and girls from 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 boys and there are 5 girls. Now next question is question number 7. It is said that if a dice is rolled, there are 3 dice, they are in a bag. So the dice are one red, one white and one blue. So in a bag there are 3 dice. So sample space 1, S1 will be R, W and B. Then it is said that a dice is taken out and rolled. So we don't know which dice is rolled. And when a dice roll, there must be 6 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how can we write the sample space? Sample space is R1, R2, R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6. Similarly, white one, R means red. White one, W1, W2, W3, W4, W5, W6. Black one, then blue one, then B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6. This is the entire number of ordered pair, or you can say elements of the sample space of this particular problem. Next is question number 8. It is said that the sample space, the sample should write down. It is said that family having 2 children, and it is that you have to write down the sample space. So and children may be girl or boy. So how can you write? It might be that both the children are boy, or it might be that both the children are girl, or one girl boy and first one is girl, second one is boy, or first one is boy and second one is girl. Now the second part of the question is said that what will be the number of girls of this according to the sample space elements. So according to the sample space, there are first one is 2 boys. If there is 2 boys, there will be the number of girls will be 0. There will be no girl. If it is that boy girl, then number of girl is 1. If it is girl boy, number of girl is 1. If it is both are girls, the number of girl is 2. Then after question number 8, let us go to question number 9. In the question number 9, it is said that there are altogether 1 red ball and 1 white ball and 3 white ball. 1 red ball and 3 white ball in an arm, and it is said that these 3 white balls are identical, similar, same to same. Then what happened? What is the total number of balls? Total number of ball will be 1 red ball and 3 identical white ball. Then if you ask to write down sample space, since all the balls are same, all the white balls are same, identical, so what we do, we write the first one will be, we will consider, though there are 3 balls, but we consider that means we will take 2 balls, red and white. So first one will be red white, second one will be white red, and third one will be white white. Now question number 10. Question number 10 is that if a coin is tossed, it is said that write down the sample space that if a coin is tossed, and then when the coin toss, then it will become head and tail. And then it is said if head appears, then a coin is tossed again. So when head appears, then again a coin toss, and if it says that and if tossed again, and a dice is also rolled. So what will be the final outcome? So the final outcome will be when a coin is tossed, and if head appears, then the coin is tossed again. So that means head tail, and if after that means tossing the coin, if tail comes out, then a dice is rolled. So it will be tail 1, tail 2, tail 3, tail 4, tail 5 and tail 6. So you can see that the elements are written here. You can draw it like this also or like this also, same thing. Now question number 12 says that a coin is tossed. If outcome is a head, a die is thrown. If the die shows up an even number, the die is thrown again. What is the sample space? So if a first toss is a coin is tossed. So when coin is tossed, if head appears, then this is the second stage. second stage that a dice is thrown. So and if it happens the dice shows even numbers. So we know that there are altogether 3 even numbers, 2, 6 and 4, 2, 4 and 6. So if the dice shows the even numbers, then the dice is thrown again. So what will be the outcome? So you see the first outcome will be tail. With tail there is nothing going to happen. If tail appears, you don't have to again roll the dice or anything. Then but if head appears, then head 1 with odd numbers, head 1, that means h1, h3, h5, there is no condition given in the question. Then but if h2, that means even number appears, then h2 again one dice will thrown. So h2 1, you see here, h2 2, h2 3, h2 4, h2 5, h2 6. So I write down all the values. Now after that, when if 4 appears, 4 is also even numbers, and it will be h4 1, h4 2, h4 3, h4 4, h4 5 and h4 6. You can see here it is h4 1, h4 2 and so on, it goes up to h4 6. Then after that, if again another last even number is 6, it appears, then it will be h6 1, h6 2, h6 3, h6 4, h6 5 and h6 6. You can see it is written, all the possible outcomes are written here. Therefore this is a sample space of the given problem. Now question number 13, it is a little bit tricky. The question says that the number 1, 2, 3, 4 are written separately on 4 slips of paper. So this is the first slips or first draw. Okay, so first slip 1, slip 2, slip 3, slip 4, it is written. Then it is said the sleeves are put on a box and mixed thoroughly. A person draw 2 sleeves from the box, one after another. Suppose first sleeve I draw, I kept it aside, then I draw another sleeve. But what is the most important thing? It is said that without replacement. So please underline the word without replacements. Means suppose a box is having these 4 sleeves. Suppose I draw sleeve 1. So I take it, sleeve 1, I keep it aside, and then I have to choose another sleeve out of the 3 left behind sleeves. So it is said that describe the sample space. So the first thing is that we have to firstly, number of outcomes is what? When we have to first take the sleeve, we have to draw the first sleeve, then total number of outcomes was 4. Once you took out one sleeve and you have to keep it outside because without replacement set, then number of option left behind is 3. So from those 3 sleeves you have to find out. So there will be altogether 12. The value number of outcomes is 12. So it is 4 is for first draw and 3 is for the second draw. Now you can see here the condition, second condition say that second sleeve must show a number different from the first one. From the first one on the first sleeve, it should be, because if you are taking one sleeve and you are keeping it outside, because it said that you cannot replace it. So without replacements, suppose the sleeve is 2, then 2 is outside of the urn, then there will be no more 2 in the basket or in the urn. So you have to choose one from out of these 3. So that is why, so suppose for first one is chosen for the first draw, this is just an example, then 3, 4 and 2 is left behind. These are the possibilities for second sleeve or second draw. Then what will be the outcome? Now you see the outcomes, you can look at here, 1 2 1 3 1 4. So it is 1 2 1 3 1 4. Then 2 1 2 3 2 4. So it will be 2 1 2 3 2 4, and the second one is 4 1 4 2 and 4 2 4 3. So because it is then along with that one more is that 3 1 3 2 3 4. So these are the total number of outcome. If you count it, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. So 12 number of outcomes. This is question number 13. Now is question number 14. It is said that question number 14 said that an experiment consists of rolling a dice and then tossing a coin once if the dice is the number on the dice is even. If the number on the die is odd, the coin is tossed twice. write down the sample space. So that means it is a two, that means a particular experiment, it is, the experiment has a two stage. First is a dice is rolled. So when is a dice is rolled, then you will get altogether 6 outcomes, 1 2 3 4 5 6. It is said a coin is tossed once if dice shows the even number. So when the dice shows even number, there are 3 cases, a coin will be tossed once. So then if 2 comes out, it will be only head and tail, 4 head and tail, 6 head and tail. But the coin is tossed twice, if it shows the odd number. Then if it is 1, then for twice a coin is tossed twice, there are 4 outcomes, head tail, tail head, head head, tail tail. So how you will write? You will write 1 head tail, then 1 tail head, 1 head head, 1 tail tail. Then with 2 head and 2 tail. With 3, 1 head, 3 head tail, 3 tail head, 3 tail head, 3 tail tail. Then with 4 head and 4 tail. Then with 5 head tail, 5 tail head, 5 head, 5 tail tail. Then with 6, it is an even number, 6 head and 6 tail.